Solving a linear equation with several occurrences of the variables on the same side, and distribution. When solving equations, I follow 3 steps. The first is to clear any fractions. Well, I don't have any fractions here, so I can move along to step 2. Step 2 is simplified each side of the equals separately. So I'm going to draw a line right there at the equals. Now over here I just have 10. There's nothing to simplify. That one's pretty easy. So I'll just bring that 10 down. But over here, I want to simplify if I can. There's 2 things we do when we simplify. We distribute to get rid of parentheses, and we combine like terms. I'm going to be able to do both of those. But first, I'm going to distribute to get rid of this parentheses, or this set of parentheses here. So 8 times x gives me 8x, and then 8 times negative 5 is negative 40, and then I have this plus 2x on the end. So I distributed. Next I'm going to combine like terms. So over here on the right side I have 2 x terms, 8x and 2x. If I combine those together, if I have 8 x's and I get 2 more x's, total I have 10 x's. And then I still have this constant term, minus 40, and 10 on the other side. So I simplified each side of the equals. Last, isolate the variable, or get the variable by itself. Well, my variable is right here, so it's going to take 2 steps to do this, because I need to get rid of this minus 40 and this times by 10 here. Well, I always start with anything that's not attached to the variable directly. Well, the 10 is the coefficient. It's attached directly to the x, so I'm going to leave that till last and get rid of anything else over on this side, which is, in this equation, the minus 40. Well, the opposite of subtracting 40 is to add 40, so I'm just going to zero it out here, make a 0. But I need to keep my equation balanced by doing the same thing on the other side. So 10 plus 40 is 50 on the left, equals 10x on the right. Now I can deal with the coefficient, the number that's stuck directly to the variable. And there's hidden multiplication going on here. That's really a 10 times x. Well, if I want to undo or unlock or release that 10 from the front, I need to do the opposite of multiply, which would be divide by 10. And that will leave me with just x on the right, and 50 divided by 10 on the left gives me 5.